All right, y'all, let's go for the session number three. Session number three right here. So let's drag this down. So we need to finish this session at 199.78. So let's call it 200. And I decided to up a level a little bit. So instead of 0-1 chips, we're going to go for 0-2 everything. Okay. So I already got the numbers on the two. I've got red, sorry, black evens missing for 16. We have numbers 10 to 18 missing for 14 spins. And we also have 27 neighbors. So let's see. So 5, we got 27. So 27 is a hit over here. So we have black odds. So we're going to go with black odds. Black evens, I mean. So black evens. And we have this group. Black even came out. 28. Okay. So we're going to go with this group 10 to 18. 10 to 18 right there. So first spin. So the target is to reach $200. So numbers 10 to 18 are missing for 16 spins. We also have red evens missing for 11 spins. Okay, we got 3 jackpots. Ooh, look at number 27. That will be perfect. Let's see. Where's 27? Number 12. Okay, we got the hit on 12, so we made some 240 there. Number 12. Okay, so so we are 260 away. 260 away. We have a bunch of unique numbers, and we have the JCT streets. So 22, 1, and 16. So those are the streets that we're going to play. And we also have unique numbers from 12 to 0. We have 29, 29, 19 as hot numbers. 27. 27 is not our streets. Okay, so 22, 1, 16. 1, 16, and 22. Two chips on each. So we're gonna go for the first spin. So we need to make 240. 240. No, 260 in order to get there. So if this hits first spin, will put us closer. So we will be 80 cents short. So first spin on JCT streets. Number 5. So one street off. Number 5. Gonna go for the second spin. Let's see how it goes. So this table has been popping up lots of multipliers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down here we can see a bunch of them. That would be a good way to jump in and try to catch one of these multipliers. So second spin on JCT streets. So 1, 16, 22. Another street off. 14. Okay, we're gonna repeat. So we got out here, third spin. So these streets are missing for 28, 26, and 24 spins. So this will give us a 0.6 if it hits now. Let's see how it goes. So 1, 16, 22. That was one off from the one. Number 33. That's a miss. Okay, we're going to repeat and double up. So we are here on the fourth spin. Missing for 29, 27, and 25. This is the fourth spin. A good hit would be now, would count as the first spin, so it will give us a 1.8 net profit. $116.22. Number 30. Is it 30? Yeah, 30. Number 30. We add a chip, add a chip, and add a chip. Okay, so we are here on the fifth spin. So if this hits, we're going to give us a 2.4 net profit. We actually need 2.6. So after that, we just need to grind 20 cents, and that's it. So we have 7 unique numbers. Let's see how it goes. Number 2, okay, that's a hit. Okay, so we just need to make 20 cents. 2 black. Right, so we're gonna go for Joe Croupier system. So flipping from one dozen to the other. So first dozen came out, so we're gonna go for a second and third. So if this hits on either way, we're gonna move the third dozen. So essentially flicking the third dozen from one to third, one third, one third. Ooh, 5 jackpot numbers. And we have 3 neighbors by 5, missing for 6 spins. Okay, that's a hit. We just need one more hit, so we flick it to the other side. For 28, it's a hit on this group. And that's it, we just need this win and we out. Another 10 minutes, hopefully. So first and second dozen here. And that's it. Job done, $200. Boom. And let's just update the spreadsheet. 200. So we made $5 today on this session. So I'm gonna wrap it up. So hope you guys enjoyed the show. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.